Hey guys, this is Paul Bart's Garage. I could edit this video to where I can splice both these video into one video, but we're just going to do a part one and part two. This is a 2004 CTS Cadillac V6. We're putting brakes on it, and we were showing in the first video to where if you let your brakes get down so low, like under 20%, which hers on this particular car was down to like 5%, even 1%. It will cause the piston in the caliper to stretch all the way out, and over time it'll build up brake dust and particles and stuff in it and lock the caliper up to where you can't use it, and it just locks up on the wheel. And in the first video we were putting a cheater bar and trying to turn the rotor, and it was so locked up you couldn't even turn the rotor. But now we put a new caliper on it, and as you can see, it turns like butter. So that's definitely what was wrong with it. It's fixed now, and like I said, don't let your brakes get so low to where it ruins the caliper, because they're about $80 a piece or more depending on what kind of car you got. It's best just to go on and bite the bullet and buy the brakes for about 50 or 60 bucks, and either put them on yourself or have somebody put them on that you trust. Save yourself some money. Anyway, this is Paul Bart's Garage. Hope this was a little bit informative to you. Peace out. Bye.